Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 7th standard. The chapter number is fractions and decimals chapter is the in your fraction chapter. Today study about only ascending order, descending order, ascending order and descending order. Dear student, you can before study about the ascending order, descending order, you can study about only comparing of fractions are here. Comparing of fractions. For example, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. These are fractions are here, and also some rational fraction also here. No problem. 8 by 3, 7 by 3, 4 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 6 by 3. These are also some fractions are here. And also otherwise 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 4. These are also some fractions are here. In the first group, the all denominator is same is that. All denominator is same. In the second group, again all denominator is same is that. In the third group, the all denominator and numerator are different is that. And also second group also here, therefore consider 8 by 3, 8 by 5, 8 by 7, 8 by 6, 8 by 4. These are also some group is that. In this group, all numerator is same is that. All numerator is same. In the first group, we can write in the ascending order. In second group, write in ascending order. In third group also write in ascending order. In last fourth also here. Dear students, ascending order and descending order, you study about first of all comparing which number is bigger, which number is smaller. First of all study about only first one group. In this one, first fraction is 1 by 2, second one is 2 by 8, third one is 3 by 8 is the 4 by 8 by 8. In this group, which one is biggest number, which one is smallest number? Consider when there are some rules are here. First rule is in the denominator, the all denominators are same. In the group of fractions, the all denominators are same. You can compare only numerator. You can compare only numerator. Which numerator is bigger, that is bigger. When only all denominators are same, you can compare only numerator. 5 is greater. Next 4, 3, 2, 1 is smaller. Therefore, this ascending order is this like is that 5 by 8 greater than 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. This is ascending order. Descending order. This is descending order. But ascending order is what? 1 by 2 is the smaller number. Next 2 by 8 is the next one number. The next 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. This is ascending order. Ascending and descending order. But this is biggest number, biggest number. You can compare when denominators are same, compare only numerator. Which one is the biggest number, that is bigger number. Which one is smallest number, that is smaller number. You can write directly very easy, that is ascending order and descending order. Otherwise, second group also. In the sum of the group, how many? 6 fractions are here. In these 6 fractions, the first of all check yourself, the denominator, all denominators are same is the 3 is the. When all denominators are same, you can compare only numerator. Which numerator is bigger? That is bigger number. This is biggest number. Second one, this one. Third one, this. Fourth one, fifth one, sixth. Therefore, descending order is 8 by 3. Next, 7 by 3. 6 by 3. Next, 4 by 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 2. This is descending order. Ascending order is reverse order. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3. This is ascending order. Got it? Only you can make the denominator is same. But in this group also, first one, second group, only denominators are same. In the third group, only numerators are same is there. When the numerators are same, that is reverse order is there. In the denominators are same, you can which one is compared only numerator, which one is bigger, that is bigger. In reverse order, only numerators are same. When the numerators are same, you can compare only denominator. We can compare denominator. Which one is smallest denominator, that is bigger number. Which one is biggest denominator, that is smallest number in the third group. You can write in descending order. First of all, which one is biggest? Smallest denominator, this is biggest. Therefore, 8 by 3. Next, 8 by 4, 8 by 5, 8 by 6, 8 by 7. This is descending order. Ascending order same as it is reverse order. 8 by 7, 8 by 6, 8 by 5, 8 by 4, 8 by 3. This is ascending order. Got it? There are two rules are here. First rule is when denominators are same. Comparing numerator, which numerator is bigger, that is bigger. In the when numerators are same, you can compare denominator, which numerator is smaller, that is bigger. Got it? The next third condition is the all denominators and numerators are different. How you can do the ascending order and descending order? Otherwise, which one is smaller, which one is bigger? Next, you can take the all denominators, numerators are different. For example, you can do, consider 3 by 4 is one fraction, 2 by 3 is one fraction, 1 by 2 is one fraction, 5 by 6 is also one fraction. Okay, these 6 fractions are here. We can write in ascending order and descending order. But we don't know. The all denominators are different, all numerators are different. How you can write the ascending order? But this is, can check the first of all numerator 4, 3, 2, 6 is there. You can take the LCM of the all denominator. LCM is 4, 3, 2 and 6. You can take LCM of 4, 3, 2, 6 LCM. Therefore, can take LCM. Can take smallest number. Which number is used by both number? No. We can take first of all 2. 2 2s are 3 as it is. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Again next you can take 2. 2 1s are 3 as it is. 1 as it is. 3 as it is. Last you can take 3. 3 1s are 1 as it is. 3 1s are 1 as it is. 3 1s are. Therefore, our LCM is equal to 2 into 3. Therefore, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is LCM, but remaining the given 4 fractions, denominators are 4, 3, 2, 6 is there. Our LCM is 12 is there. Again, the next step is you can make all denominator can take, that is 12. First one is what? 3 by 4 is there. You can into, you can make denominators 4, you can take 12 is there. The given denominator is 4 is there, you can make 12. 3 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Denominator is 12 is there. Again second rational number. Second one is 2 by 3 is there. Again the given denominator is 3 is there. You can make the denominator is 12. You can take 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Again denominator is 12 is there. 8 by 12 is also same as it is. 2 by 3 also same as it is. Therefore third one is what? 1 by 2 is there. denominator is 2, you can make denominator 12 into 6 by 6. 1 into 6 means 6 divided by 2 into 6 means that is 12. Again denominator is 12 is the last one is what? Therefore 5 by 6 is the, you can take multiplication denominator 2 is the, therefore 5 2s are 10 divided by 12 is the, again denominator is 12 is the all rational denominator is 12 is the, what is our first rule? When the denominators are same, you can compare which numerator is bigger, that is bigger. Write in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order is equal to, in the given rational, first one is what? Which one is smallest? 9, 8, 6, 10. 6 is smallest number. Therefore 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. The next one is what? 6 after. 8 is the, 8 means 2 by 3. The next one, 8 after next, 9 is the, 9 means 3 by 4. The last one is 5 by 6 is the. This is your ascending order. What about descending order? Descending order is equal to, again reverse order, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 is the. 1 by 2 is the. What is this like your ascending order and descending order is the. And also dear students, in your 7th standard you learn about addition and subtraction of the fractions is the. For example, addition only. Example number 1, add 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 and 4 by 5. Addition of these two. Addition also very easy, and also there are 3 steps are here. Addition with the same denominator. Addition with a different denominator. This example is different denominators are here. Therefore, the addition is 3 by 7 plus 4 by 5. Okay. The next denominator is 7 and 5 is the, you can take addition of these two. Therefore, 7 and 5 are 35. Next in the numerator, 7 5s are 5 7s are. Therefore, 3 into 5 means 15 plus 4 7s are 28. Again, addition of these two, 15 plus 28 means 30, 40, 3 divided by 35. This is your answer. Addition of fractions. But in your same denominator is what? Add, example number 2, add 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. Therefore, denominators are same as that. Therefore, addition is what? 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7 is the. LCM is not necessary because same denominator directly is in 7. Again, addition of these two, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 by 7 is your answer. Therefore, in addition also, when same denominator, that is very easy, and also different denominators also you can take the LCM. Otherwise, cross product. Next one example number 3, add 3 integer 2 by 7 and 2 integer 1 by 5. Okay, these two fractions are proper. These two are improper is there. For improper not, that is mixed fractions are here. Okay, you can addition of these two numbers. Therefore, you can take these two fractions are mixed. You can convert it from mixed to improper. 3 7 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23 by 7 plus. Next, 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. Therefore, next, addition of these two. Addition of 7 and 5 means 35. Next, 7 5s are 5 7s are. Multiplication of 23 5s are 5 3s are 15 carry 1. 5 to the 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 11 sevens are 77. Therefore, answer is 180, 90, 2 divided by 35 is answer. This like questions are here. And also in your exam, some word example also here. Word examples is like also here. You can do in your homework. Next, some two example in your subtraction. Subtraction. First one example. This is first one example. Again same subtract. This like no problem. First one example. Example number 1. Subtract 3 by 7 from 4 by 11 by 7. Subtract 3 by 7 from 11 by 7. The mathematical statement, you can write this equations. Therefore, 11 by 7 minus 3 by 7. This is the correct answer. Correct method, because subtract 3 by 7 which number? From this number. Therefore, 11 by 7 minus 3 by 7. The answer is same as it is. Therefore, 11 minus 3 is the 11 minus 3 is what? 8 by 7. 8 by 7 is the improper result. Can cannot be mixed fraction. 7 on the 7. 1 by 7 is the right answer. Or otherwise, second one example. Example number 2. Subtract 2 integer 1 by 3 from 3 integer 1 by 7. 3 integer 1 by 7. Again, simplification. Therefore, first number is what? 3 integer 1 by 7 minus 2 integer 1 by 3 is there. Next step is what? You can convert it into mixed to improper. 3 7 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 20. 2 divided by 7. Minus 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 3 is there. Next you can take the LCM. LCM means 7 and 3 LCM. 7 3 is 21 LCM. You can take 7 3 is 3 7 is. Therefore, 3 to the 6, 66 minus 7 7 is 49 divided by 21 is there. Therefore, 66 minus 49 is equal to, you can take carry, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore, 6 minus 5 is only 1. Answer is 17 by 21. 17 by 21. Dear students, in your 7th standard first exercise, some questions are ascending or descending also here. Some questions are addition, subtraction is there. You can do in your homework in your exam exercise. I shall continue your next class.